hands down, is getting information, gathering information, being prepared so you know what questions to ask. Again, no, just having an honest conversation with yourself. What are my expectations? Am I willing to pay less to get less? Or do I want to get okay with the fact that I'm going to pay more to get more, or I'm going to pay more to get more reassurance or insurance, if you want to call it, that something's not going to go wrong? Because that's the reality of today is, you can pay more to get the insurance, the assurance of a better experience. So coming to grips with yourself and your expectations of, is that something I'm willing to do, either pay less and get less, or pay more with the assurance or the guarantee I'm going to get a better experience and a better result. So that's an important thing. And just being informed and educated, like we've talked about before, is doing your homework, talking to people that have worked with the company specifically. Nowadays, everybody has a Nextdoor app or something where they can, gather and communicate with their neighbors. That is the best way to gain an understanding of, the company and how they act and how they took care of the person, the responsibility they had. That's priceless. You just can't replace that.